Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby. Welcome back. Today I'm going to do the only bag I have never thought of selling. Well, if you're in luxury, you kind of like play around with keeping your bags. Sometimes you sell them, sometimes you get something else, or you might be that person that just keeps your bags all the time. I typically keep all my bags I have in the past, but recently I've been reevaluating and trying to be more minimal. Not a minimalist, but just being more minimal. And I've thought of selling pretty much all of my bags at least once or twice or sometimes more than that. And there's only been one bag that I have never thought of selling. And I don't think that you guys will actually guess what it is. But I'm gonna pause the video right now and I'm gonna let you guess and put a comment down below. And yeah, so my favorite brand is Chanel, so I'll give you a little hint. So the only bag that I have never thought of selling is, drumroll, whoop, is, let's get you in frame, girlfriend, is my Chanel GST in caviar leather, gold hardware, and I have never ever thought of selling this bag. Typically, I think about selling my bags because I'm like, oh, well, I don't wear it as much, or maybe, you know, all are different reasons, but this one I have never thought of selling. And if you haven't heard the story, it's a long one. I'll leave a video down below, but basically it was when it was discontinued. Everyone said that you could never get this bag, and JT made a few phone calls and got me this bag. So long story short, basically this is my absolute favorite bag. Not necessarily the one that I use the most, but it really is just a bag that we tried hard to go get, and JT got it for me when when everyone said that it was the last one or sold out, and it was just a great experience. But that's not the only reason why. I actually really like this bag because no one else likes it. I also really like this bag because I've always loved it from day one and never stopped liking it. I've always loved it because I just think it's a really, really functional bag. It has like the compartments. This is not a review, but basically I just think it really matches my style, and it's really a great tote bag, and I love totes. And also I think it's a classic too. And I love that it looks structured now, but I think it will look really good even when it's slouchy. And the cool thing about this bag is also another thing about this bag is that I've seen people like have issues with it, and then they sent it to the leather surgeon, and then the leather surgeon like fixes it up and it looks like brand new. So honestly, I don't mind wearing this bag all the time because I know that if something were to happen, I could get it fixed. So yes, guys, I think this is a really, really cool video. If you guys want to do this video as well and share your bag that you never thought of selling, the only one, you can only choose one, then I encourage you to do that. But yeah, this is the only one. So kind of interesting, but I figured I'd share it with you guys. What do you guys think? Do you like the Chanel GST? Do you not? Anyways, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating like crazy.